Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we'll be looking at how to create this beautiful ebook cover. And you agree with me that selling of ebook as a digital product is one of the first business you can start in online space, and having a beautiful eye-catching ebook cover is also one thing you must get right if you want to start digital product. And so in this video we'll be covering step-by-step guide on how you can create this beautiful ebook. Well, first of all, has to create it like this using a Canva free Canva version, and then we'll convert it to something like this with this secret website. That's why you have to stay to the end of this video so you don't miss that part of converting it to look like this. So if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are welcome to Value Mama Academy, and my name is Goodness Ezeji. And in this channel I create content around how to grow and make money from the online space with your smartphone. And I go in depth in teaching you how to start importation business, how to start affiliate marketing, digital product you can sell, foodstuff business, name it, any business you can do from the comfort of your home with your smartphone and still have time for your family. That is what we talk about in this channel. And if this video's interest looks like what you are interested in, please subscribe to my channel, hit on the notification bell so you know when next I'll post the next video. And before we go into this thing, we need to go to Google and then get our pictures, because we need this kind of sharp looking pictures. Remember I said that we're going to use Canva, and Canva Pro has its own limitations, so we're going to, that's why we need to get the picture first from Google, and we have to Google the picture first, and then we'll download the picture, then head over to Canva. That sounds sunset mother and child thing, so that we'll get exact picture we need for this. Okay, that is what we are trying to do. Sunset mother child. Okay, so this is it, depending on the ebook you want to create. So my own is talking about parenting and staying at home making money as a parent. So that's why I'm looking for something that is close to it so that it will be so easy for me. So maybe we have to download this, or let's see if we can get something better. And remember, pictures comes in different sizes, and you should be careful so you get a picture that also match and that matches your ebook you are creating. Okay, so let's see which one do we pick here. So this is very simple step, very simple. Let's download this one. Okay, so just click on download image and it's already downloaded. Then we'll head over to Canva to design this. So here is my Canva, and I'll be doing a separate video, step-by-step guide on how to use Canva for beginners. So if you are not good with Canva, don't worry, I'll be creating a video on how you can start creating an amazing flyers with your Canva. Canva is one of my best friends when it comes to online space. Almost all the thumbnail I'm using on YouTube, I create here. You can see, and I do this with my phone, guys. So I'll also show you step by step on how to get familiar with Canva. But for now, let's just focus on creating this ebook. So just go to the search uh, button and then search for ebook cover template. Okay, ebook cover template. Then we'll download ebook cover. we'll just have to download anyone because we are going to create this from scratch. Okay, we are going to create it from scratch to finish. So we need to just download any of the ebook samples here. So we just click on any one here. Remember I said that we are using a free version of Canva. You can see this icon here. Let me show you. This icon here is pro. It means that you have to pay to use this particular template, but there are always free ones that you can use. Okay, so we are using the free one. We just click on this one and then allow it to load. So we'll start designing with this. So we are going to almost everything here. Remove the background, delete the background, then go and import our the image we downloaded. Okay, so we'll go to gallery and then we bring in the image. Okay, so this is the image we downloaded and we are going to add it to page. So this is it. We are going to drag it here and drag it. We just need it to cover the top part of this ebook. We don't need it to cover everything. So we are trying to duplicate the ebook we created earlier, you saw earlier. So we are going to do this, or I'll just go and get the image I used. So go to upload and then get the particular image I used from the beginning. Okay, so this is one I use. Just drag it up, take it up, 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 up. Then use your finger to drag it to the end part of the template. Then drag it small down, and we need to bring this thing up so that with this now we can get the background. See it now. One of the things I love about Canva is immediately you upload a picture, it will start giving you colors that are related to that picture. So we're going to use this and get the background now, right? Okay, so this is the background now with the picture, and we are also going to get this up because we are still going to use it as our letters. We are going to type. We are going to use this font for the typing of the ebook name. So we're going to take it up first. Then let's get the other items, other elements. We are just going to the elements, and then we are going to get that white background at the back, at the down part of that ebook, and here is the white background. So this is supposed to be somewhere here. Then we'll know we can use it. And then we are also going to get another element. We are going to get this shape, this Y shape, bring it down because we're going to use that black, the black background at the end part of this ebook. Okay, so we are dragging it here, so let it cover the end part, cover the end part of the ebook. So this is very simple. If you are new to this, it will look like it's stressful, but it's not. Okay, so we change this to black. We change it to black. Yes, so we are getting the black, and then we have to drag it to the end part, drag it, and then reshape it. So we duplicate it by clicking on that button, and it will now become two. We take it, we click on this button here, these three dots by my right, then you go to this point and say send back, so that this black can show, or we can say like this, so it will look like it's mixed with the black. So this is it, and then we'll start writing. We'll start writing, and we're going to use this to write. Go to edit and edit the write up. So we're going to write from from, then one, and then we click on it again and copy it. Bring it again here, then copy it again, then write another word. We're going to put on parenting. So we are going to use the parenting here, then drag it. This is one of the things I love doing. I love creating flyers, doing a lot with Canva. Drag it so that its words can match together. Then this is it. Copy it again. Then let's bring it to this point. So we are doing from parenting to profit, to profit. Okay, so this is it. We are changing this to black. So we just click on the right top, then go scroll and you see color. Click on that color and it will give you black. Okay, and then we are also changing everything to black. Do the same thing with this. Do the same thing with this, black. Do the same thing with this, black, black. Okay, so this is two. We have to double this. We need to be doubling all of them to give us a bold shape. Double these two. You can leave it at this, or you can double it to be equal. Okay, we are also going to copy this and double it too. So we are almost there, guys. This is interesting. I'm trying to bring this one down so it doesn't cover the parenting, the profits. Okay, so we are almost there. We are almost there. We are almost there. And we are going to also use another go to text and get subheading. Click on the add subheading, and then we are going to put in our subtitle. A mom's guide. Let's bring it where we can see it. So we need to carry it to the white background so we can see it properly. Okay, yes, then right. So we are going to use capital letter mom's guide to making money from home. Okay, so we are going to reduce the size. We'll go to font size, then reduce it. We don't need to reduce this too much. We can just do it like this. Okay, and then resize it again so it will be a bit bold so that somebody can read it. Resize it a bit like this, then see if we can drag it to come yes, is over sized. Drag it down, drag it, and that is it. Let's see if we're able to get it. So this is it. So a mom's guide. Okay, almost there. So you can do it, is okay like this. At least we have achieved this, but it's too simple and I don't know. But that's why I have to start putting in flowers, things that will make it unique and different. So we are also going to use this, delete this font, use this, double it, then rewrite. Okay, written, written by. Okay, and then double this again, double it again, and write goodness SG. Goodness SG. But we are going to do it in capital letter, so everything here is in capital letter, which is okay. So we click on it, then change it. Test style, format, click on it, click on this and change it to capital letter. Then we are going to change the color to black, to white, sorry, white, white. Then drag it down here, then change it to white and then drag it down here. Okay, I hope you are following me. I'm trying to see if we can bring back down this, forward, forward, no, no, backward, back. I'm trying to see if I can bring that white. Yes, that is what I'm looking for. Okay, so that is it. I think this is cool. Let's see if we can change the font and get something better. I think I use President Wide. I think this is what I used, the last one. And this is fine. Okay, so this is the ebook, and we're going to go to the element and then import, bring in the flower to make it look beautiful. Okay, put the flower here, go again and bring in, depending on what you are doing, you can do anything you want to do. See, one thing I love about Canva is you can experiment, do anything you want to do. So I'm going to put this, let it look as if they are inside this shape here. Okay, so this is it, it's fine. And then get another thing, this, then put it like this, let it cover a bit. This is okay, this is our ebook cover, guys. This is looking beautiful, this is lovely. So we are going to do now is to click on download. Just go to the download button up at the top of the Canva if you're using your phone. So just click on it and then you download this into your phone gallery. So this is how the ebook cover looks like. So in my next video I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how you can create it with that markup template. Okay, and it's free. The website I'm going to show you is free, so you need to click on the next video to see how this thing is done. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching, guys. Thank you so much.